it's a bit wet. Hello, Louis. On your way to pick up? Yes. So I can. And mafia bikes, the clip, chrome forks, bars, stem, bloody cranks, thing. The front tyre. Shut up, you dick. The front tyre is what is it? Demolition momentum. What is it? Alex Super Rim or something. Mafia. Oh, ah, shit! Shut up, you dick! I can't find it. There it is. Mafia bike. I don't have a clue what the front peg is actually. Oh, it's alright. Standard. Oh crap! Standard. Oh, I got a text. Standard lever. Black cable from Louis. You can tell I'm bored. Local. Gyro. Thing. Black. A boom boom. Good all the way down the frame. That's the mafia bicycles. Yeah. 74. Hang on, look. Don't get the forks. I've bent them. They're actually bent. You can see the bend. Yeah. What is it? Animal cush seat? Yeah.
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah. Animal seat post. If you can. No, you can't see that. No, I can't see that. Shit. What is it? Blank select thing? No, not blank select. Blank sprocket. Which. Fuck. Where is it? Fucking on the axle bolt there. It's basically, right, is that the thing's rounded. Fucking hell, this is hard. Crappy caliper. Fucking wires are fucked up. Hood back peg. Prima DSG guard thing. What is it? Same wheel. It's the same wheel in it, in the back and the front. Yeah, same hubs and all that crap. Tender contact tyre because that's how amazing people are. Oh yeah, nukeproof. Very, very grippy. Look, a shiny. Hold that. Hold it.
Get away from me, Liam.
Shit. Actually shit. It's buckle. Yeah. Fuck it. And it's spinning.
So the bearings are good then, aren't they, Liam?
No, it's like yours. Don't fucking with people.
Yeah, yeah. Look, got a green bike, yeah.
You're what shite. And bye, Louis. Bye, bicycle. I called it Susan.